we're just about at the end of this Vigilant installation as far as all the main steps, everything that gets plugged in. What I have here is the ambient temperature probe, connects to the monitor. This little white plug here, if you go down and zoom in on the monitor connections, that goes right in there. A word of caution with this, if you do need to unplug it, don't pull the wire. You may remove it from the plug. So what I would do is take a pair of pliers if you can, get them on the actual white plug, pull it out that way. Now, as far as where you actually mount this, you're obviously limited by your cable length. However, you shouldn't really need to go too far from the monitor, especially if the monitor is by the battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out where I want to mount this. I'm going to route my cable nicely, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, plugged in, got my wires routed up behind here, and I have decided to attach my ambient temperature sensor just right here, kind of close to our main positive, and that's it. And so moving on, we're going to start talking about how to commission the system, plugging in wires as we go, and getting on the computer.